Keeping a variety of fruits and vegetables readily available makes it easy to create a wide range of meals during the week. Rotating fresh and frozen fruits and vegetables allows for a greater mix of nutrients and potentially fewer visits to the store. For instance, let's say I shopped for groceries on the first week of the month. During the first week or two, I could steam, roast, or bake the most perishable food items like eggplant, zucchini, mushrooms, Brussels sprouts, along with eating apples, pears, and grapes. In the next couple of weeks, less perishable foods could be eaten, like yams, sweet potatoes, rutabaga, along with frozen broccoli, spinach, green beans, squash, peas, corn, berries, and peaches. The fruits and vegetables can be used as part of a potluck-style meal. Yams make a great sandwich base, and for dessert, baked apples with granola and cashew cream.